Assalamu alaikum students. I am Mrs. Hafsa, your computer teacher from Army Public School and College System Remia. The topic of today's lesson is malware and its types. Malware. Malware means malicious software. It consists of harmful software that are threats to all computer users. It is created for attack on privacy, spying, destruction, and financial benefits. The most common types of malware are computer viruses, worms, spyware, and adware. Computer viruses. A computer virus is a type of malware that spreads by inserting a copy of itself into another program or file. Examples of computer virus are I love you and my doom. I love you is an email virus that infected computer when user opened an email attachment named I love you. My doom virus was discovered in 2004. It quickly infected about 1 million computers at a time. How computer virus spread? There are two main ways through which computer virus may spread from one computer to another or any type of devices like USB, etc. The first one is virus spread and infect other files when a computer user opens the infected program or any other file. And the second thing is virus also spread when infected files are transferred from one computer to another through network, through USB flash drive, CD, DVD, or infected email attachments. And the second main thing is how this virus affects on our computer. So some viruses are the type of virus which are not very harmful. Even we can ignore them. While others can seriously damage the hardware, software, or the information stored on the computer. And these viruses can slow down the computer and some can even stop its operation. Worms. A worm is a malware that transmits itself over a network to infect other computers. It can be harmful, like a virus. And examples of worm are CodeRed and Fizzle. CodeRed worm broke out in July 2001 and infected about 360,000 computers in a single day. Fizzle is a mass-mailing worm that captures a user's keystroke and can allow the attackers access to infected computer. Here, mass-mailing means sending the same email message to a large number of people at the same time. And keystroke means pressing down a key or worms or one time press a key one time. How worms spread? It spreads automatically in computer networks and replicates itself. Here, replicate means copy itself. It can travel from computer to computer without any human action. And the second is it enters a computer through a weakness in the operating system of the computer. Here the point is how it affects. Most of the worms cause some harm to the network, such as slowing down communication by increasing network traffic. Spyware. Spyware programs are developed to spy on computer users by gathering information about their activities on the computer. Example of spyware program. Flame is a spyware that was discovered in 2012. It attacks computers that use Microsoft Windows operating system. It is known as one of the most sophisticated spyware used for the purpose of spy. It can record screenshots, keyboard activities, and network traffic. It also has the capability to turn on the computer microphone and record the conversation over Skype. How spyware spreads? It infects computer through installation of software from internet. Spyware is a category of computer program that attach themselves to your operating system in nefarious ways. How spyware affects? It performs secret operations such as stealing password or banking, PIN, personal identification number, or other personal information about the user. Spyware slows down the performance of infected computer. Adware. Adware is a malware that attaches itself to free software on the internet and infects computer when such software is downloaded. How adware affects? It pop-up advertisement during execution of infected programs. Pop-up block option in browsers help us to protect our computer from these adware. Some adware may also collect user information without their permission. This is your assignment, students. After watching this video, you may able to solve these questions.